In a recent episode, we showed you how to harvest a bunch of bananas 20 feet high. And I showed you the tool that I used. So this video is about the tool. So let's get right into it. This is what I'm talking about. The stainless steel serrated sickle. It comes in this little handy little pouch. This one is brand spanking new, and I was sure to put my name on it because we each got to be responsible for our own sickles so that we don't lose them, because these are so valuable. So the beautiful thing about this sickle is that it's serrated. And the serrated sickle, what it does is the teeth go this way. It grabs into the trunk of the banana tree or whatever it is you're cutting and gives you a nice clean cut. And these are very sharp, so you don't want to, you got to be careful. You got to wear gloves when you're using these sickles. The other beautiful thing about this sickle is that this handle is plastic and it's been melted around the end of the sickle. And so you can see that it doesn't wobble, it's not loose. With wooden handle sickles, they have a groove that the base of the sickle slips into, and then they have a nail or a screw that goes through the wood, through the hole in the sickle and out the other side. So there's a little play there. But this is solid, and this does not come apart. It will not come apart. And it's so durable because of the thickness that these blades stay sharp for a very, very, very long time. The other great thing about this sickle is the bright color of this handle, because it's so easy to lose this in the pile of weeds or shrubs or foliages that you happen to be cutting or clearing a section, clearing an area, and you need to find your sickle. Well, there it is, easy to find. I've lost so many wooden handled sickles throughout the years. I've used this particular brand for a very long time, and these sickles last the longest. There are other sickles that are not stainless steel, and the serrated edge tends to bend and break off, but this stays durable for so long. It's the message for this video. Be sure to have the right tool for the job. It makes the job so much easier. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell to be notified for our upcoming videos, and please leave a comment. I'd like to know, what is your favorite go-to tool? Something that you cannot live without, something that makes your day and your job so much easier. And in the meantime, remember to always breathe aloha. Take that moment to just pause, to stop, to reflect, to take this very mindful breath of aloha, and just feel that love pouring in to your body, your kino. Feel that regenerative energy filling you up. And just know that you are so loved. So I'll see you in the next video. In the meantime, I'm going to go harvest some tea leaves, because I'm going to be showing you how to make a tea leaf rope lay very soon. Okay? Until then, my friends, aloha and ahui ho for now.